Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to create stunning AI images absolutely free using Freepik's AI Image Generator. So whether you need artwork, product photos, or concept visuals, this tool is super easy and powerful, so let's just get started. Before that, head over and open up any of your browser available and you can type in Freepik and go to this official site of Freepik, which is this one right here. Freepik.com, and if you do not have an account, you can just go ahead and create an account. It is totally free and just takes a few seconds. After we reach over here, you will be finding this particular interface once you are logged in. Then I can just go over and start creating up the image. For that, you can look out for the option of generating image if you want to create image. And once you click on it, you can just go over and add in your prompt. So in this text box right here, you need to add in a prompt, what you want to create. For example, a cozy mountain is something I would like to create, and you can add in description, like for example, a cozy mountain cabin during sunset, and you can add up other descriptions like ultra realistic lightning. This is something I would like. So I can also add up your description here, and once you add it up, you can add styles like realistic digital art, etc. You can add up different effects and even, choose up your composition. So for example, if you want to add style, you can add up reference images, etc. Those kind of thing. For now, let's just add up something like minimal. So I'm just gonna choose this. You can just go and choose it up as well, or create your own style. And you can add up composition as well. Click on composition and you can add up your reference image for that. And once you add it up, you can add up your effects here. So click on effects. And once you add up effects, you can add up your filters and etc. Once you add it up, you can add up your character and your object and your colors as well. After you set up everything, you just need to go ahead and click on this option called generate. So you can just go ahead and do so. So you may just go ahead and click on generate. And once you click on generate, you need to wait for a few seconds for your AI image to appear on your screen. And that way your image should be created. So there we go. And you will be seeing multiple variations of your prompt. You can click on the one that you would like to view in full quality. So for example, let's say this is the picture I want to view, and once you view it, you can look out for the option for downloading it up or using it as a video. If you would like to download it, you can select this option called export, and from there you can click on this download option. You can select the export option like JPEG, PNG, etc. and click on download. Once you do so, the image should be downloaded, and that's it. Here you can directly edit the image inside the Freepik Online editor, perfect for adding text, backgrounds, or filters. And that's how we create amazing AI images with Freepik's AI Generator. So if you found this video helpful, you can hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment about what kind of AI art you want to see next. So thank you for watching and see you in next tutorial.